morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, punctuation marks today I will finish. Okay. Some punctuation marks left. I have given you some assignments to do. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
How many of you have done? Kanaya. Can you say me or I have to share the screen?
I will say you, ma'am,
Yeah.
because I have my copy.
Or you have written your copy. Okay. So can you read it from your copy only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the punctuation marks also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please
First one
proceed.
will be unless.
Yeah.
I would be at work unless I was very ill.
Very good.
Second one, therefore. He runs so fast, therefore he win the match.
Okay, very good.
Third one, whereas. My whole family is vegetarian, whereas I am non-vegetarian.
As I am.
Fourth
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
since. It seems like years since I saw you last.
Okay.
Fifth one, gradually. Everything will be settled down to normal gradually after some days.
Very good.
Sixth one, moreover. I don't like you. Moreover, you are short-tempered.
Moreover, nay. Moreover.
Moreover, you are short-tempered.
Yeah.
Seventh, as an example, you can use any of the two languages, English or Hindi.
As
Eighth,
an example, you can use any of the two languages.
languages, yes, ma'am. Any of the two languages, English or Hindi.
Next.
Eight, lastly. Lastly, everything become normal.
Yeah.
Ninth, thus. She is so sincere, thus she get award.
Okay.
10th,
Does she awarded? Yeah, does she get awards? Yeah. Okay.
10th, such as. I like fruits more, such as mangoes.
Okay.
Over, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next, Srishti Priya. Good, Kanaya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Are you busy with something?
No, ma'am. My brother was shouting. That's why.
Okay, no, your voice actually is so high. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am busy with something. Okay, go ahead, sister.
Unless
Yeah.
I'm not going to the party unless you come too.
Yeah.
Next word is therefore. He was busy, therefore he could not come.
Okay.
Whereas we thought she was arrogant, whereas in fact she was just very shy.
Okay.
Since she was tired, she took some rest.
Okay.
Gradually, it's gradually getting colder. Moreover, I don't like skating. Moreover, the ice is too thin.
Okay.
As an example, take her as an example. She threw a punch on the wall in response to his ignorance. Lastly, I would like to ask about your future plans.
Okay.
Thus, he got caught cheating in the exam hall and thus he will be punished by the teacher.
Okay.
Such as many polymers such as nylon are artificial.
Yeah. Next time we come to Ayush Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
First one is unless.
Yeah.
We are playing cricket unless it rains.
Yeah.
Second one is therefore. He studied hard, therefore he got an A+.
Okay.
Third one is whereas. My whole family eats meat, whereas I am vegetarian.
My whole family
Fourth one
eats
is
meat.
whereas I am vegetarian.
Wow, you can't say like this. My whole family is non-vegetarian or like this. You can say no. Meat का sense कुछ भी हो सकता है ना? Because you are saying meat और इधर आप बोलते हो vegetarian, है ना? Non-veg
Yes, ma'am.
बोलना. Okay?
Fourth one is since I am not feeling well since last night.
Yeah,
Fifth one is gradually.
yeah.
He gradually improved himself in maths by practicing more number of questions.
Very good.
The sixth one is moreover, the
Yeah.
rent is reasonable and moreover the location is perfect.
Very good.
Seven was in as an example. Let's
Hmm.
take you as an example.
Hmm.
It lastly I would like to tell you something.
Hmm.
Ninth one is thus I was tired, thus I fell asleep.
Okay.
Tenth one is such as avoid unhealthy food such as chips and pizza.
Hmm.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. But one was that वो meat वाला, ठीक है ना?
Yes,
वेज
ma'am.
के साथ नॉन वेज का यूज करो तो सेंटेंस अच्छा लगता है. The sentence better, that gives sense. Okay, next. Hey, Srishti Priya, put your hands down. You have completed. Srishti Priya and Ayush Kumar. Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manish.
Ma'am, first one is unless
You are using
we
headphone.
will be sick
Are you
unless we
using
stop
headphone,
eating.
Manish?
Yes, ma'am.
Please move.
Yes,
थोड़ा
ma'am.
headphone को side करो because voice ये हो रहा है.
Okay, ma'am.
थोड़ा headphone को मुंह के सामने से हटाओ बाबू.
मैम हेडफोन हटा दिया.
हाँ अब बोलो. अब voice ठीक है मनीष.
Unless they will be sick unless she stop eating. Second is therefore.
बोलो बोलो मनीष. Speak.
मैम फर्स्ट नंबर है unless
Yeah.
she will be sick unless she stops eating.
Okay.
Second number है therefore she got the job, therefore she must have cleared the exam.
Okay, next.
Third है whereas I got the job, whereas my friend didn't.
Okay, next.
Since she is sad since he broke up with her boyfriend.
Okay, next.
Is gradually stock market falls gradually.
Okay, next.
Moreover,
Manish.
she is short.
Manish,
Moreover,
Manish.
she is fat.
Manish.
Yes, ma'am.
I will check your sentences in the Google
Yes,
Classroom.
ma'am.
Okay. Because not getting your voice properly, I am. Okay, Manish. Voice
Okay, ma'am.
clear हमको नहीं आ रहा इधर. That's why. Shishir. Shishir Kumar Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
Present.
Hey Shishir, I am not getting your voice too.
Hello.
Yeah, Shishir, please speak louder.
Hello,
Yeah, Shishir, yeah, audible.
ma'am. First one, unless your work is useless unless you modify it.
Your work is useless unless ये कहाँ का sentence है जी? Which kind of
Ma'am, your
sentence
work
this one?
is, ma'am, your work is not effective unless you modify it. It is
Yeah,
fine, ma'am.
yeah.
Next one, therefore, he was injured, therefore he couldn't appear for the exam.
Okay, next.
My sister is good at science, whereas I doesn't.
Whereas I?
Since, ma'am.
Please repeat the sentence and be clear, Nara Baba.
Okay, ma'am. My sister is good at science, whereas I'm not. I am not.
Okay. Next.
Since
Hmm.
I have been up since 6 o'clock.
Hmm.
Gradually, Mohan gradually started recovering after the accident.
Okay, next.
Moreover, she was a talented actor and moreover a good singer.
Okay, next.
Lastly, he resigned from his job.
Okay, next.
Thus, he was attacked by someone, thus will not attend the classes.
Okay, next.
Such as it is not a place for one such as you.
Okay, next.
I'm done.
Done. Next, I will come to Ananta Kumar Pradhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Ananta, how are you?
ठीक है मैम.
Huh?
ठीक है मैम. Fine.
Fine. Okay, you are fine. Okay, go ahead, Ananta.
Unless he never speak unless spoken to. Therefore,
Hey, unless का क्या sentence? What sentence you have told?
he never speaks unless spoken to.
Okay.
Therefore, I
Yeah.
was ill and therefore could not come.
Okay. Next.
Whereas
Yeah.
all of my sisters are doctors,
Yeah.
whereas I am a teacher.
Okay.
Since it's so long since I saw them.
Okay. Next.
Gradually, the balloon descended gradually as
The balloon
the
descended.
air come
क्या
out.
बोला?
Gradually,
का spelling क्या है?
GRADUALLY.
नहीं, उससे पहले disintegrate में क्या तुम बोला? What you have told?
DESCENDED.
क्या होगा?
Descended.
Descended.
हाँ, descended.
Descended का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of descended?
पता नहीं.
इस sentence में descendant का मतलब क्या होगा? Please tell me the meaning of this sentence, descended.
Back, ma'am.
Huh?
Back.
Back means coming down or dropping or
जी
falling.
मैम.
यही ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Is falling down. Okay,
Yes.
next.
Moreover, I don't like hockey more ever the football. As an example, you be the captain of Indian cricket team. Lastly, I would like to ask about your favorite plant.
Okay.
Thus the question was finally settled.
Okay.
Such as wild animals such as like ant, tiger, etc.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I will come to this. Where is? Next, I will come to Aryan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aryan, go ahead.
Unless
Yeah.
bank will not provide you loan unless you show them your original documents.
Okay.
Therefore, the weather was rainy. Therefore, Raman closed the door.
Hmm.
Whereas
Hmm.
he works slowly and precisely. Whereas I tend to rush things and make mistakes.
Okay.
Since it's been ages since we meet. Gradually, after months of work, the new look of car is gradually taking place. Moreover, the rent is reasonable and moreover, the location is perfect. As an example, you can draw this diagram as an example of the above definition. Lastly,
Okay.
I would like to add a sentence. Thus, he did not work hard. Thus, he was fired. Such as some fruits, such as apples, oranges, are very useful. Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm stopping here. So punctuation mark is there, na? So yesterday we have gone. I will definitely I will read these people's Sharik, Artab, Abdul Kalam, Priyanka, Satish, Muskan. I will read you in the Google Classroom. Okay, this 9 people who have not got the chance, I will definitely. Next one, I am just coming to the punctuation marks. Yesterday we have learned something about the punctuation marks. Yes or no? Something about punctuation marks we have yesterday learned. Can you say me what punctuation marks we have learned about in yesterday's class?
Semicolon, comma,
Yeah,
Comma, slash, at the rate,
yeah.
semicolon,
And
Hyphen.
hyphen,
see, full stop,
Question
comma,
mark, quotation
exclamation.
mark.
Can you see the screen?
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Apostrophe, quotation marks, hyphen, brackets, all that things we have yesterday we have seen. At the rate, at sign, slash, underline. Now, from here I will ask you some of the question, MCQ based question. Okay. So can I start my questioning from you people?
Yes,
Sure,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now I will say which of the following is not a punctuation mark? Comma, hashtag, full stop, at sign. Which is not a
Hashtag.
punctuation mark?
Hashtag, ma'am.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Why hashtag?
Because we don't use
Because it is
in
not
any
punctuation.
sentence.
Do you know what is this hashtag and where it is? In a system, desktop, or where it is in the hashtag?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On
In some
3.
apps like Facebook, Insta, वगैरह.
Yeah.
Twitter, ma'am.
Highlighted
Huh?
Twitter.
Yeah.
or highlighting.
Yeah. Now, next one I am coming. Okay. The full stop is used at the end of an indirect question. True or false?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. True.
End of the question, ma'am.
End of an
Indirect
indirect question. Indirect
True,
question.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Indirect question, do you understand now? जब हम दो type के question रहते हैं indirect, we are not directly asking any type of questions. That are called indirect questions. Got it? Next one. The comma is used after. The comma used after a word used to address a person. कोई पर्सन को एड्रेस करने के बाद क्या हम कॉमा यूज करते हैं? लेट्स गो सीता, कॉमा सीता. डू वी यूज?
No, ma'am.
कैसे यूज
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Like, hi,
The
I'm
comma
Sanjay
used after
Singhania.
a word. Used after a word to address a person. कोई person को address करते sentence के बाद तो comma करके उसका नाम ले सकते हैं कि नहीं? That one is asking.
Ma'am, like we use
हाँ,
first
ma'am.
short name, first name. Like there was a movie like, hi, I'm Sanjay, comma, Sanjay Singhania.
Oh, this type also. Let's go.
Can we use it?
Yeah, you can use it, but 2 times your name. Hey, I am Sanjeev. That's enough. Let's move from
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Go there. Kanhaiya. Come here, Anushka. Do we use comma? It is true. Okay. Now next one. Which of these is used between sentences when they are grammatically independent? Colon, semicolon, comma, hyphen. Colon, semicolon, hyphen. Yeah, yesterday only I told that please remember it.
Semicolon, ma'am.
Column, ma'am.
No,
Column, ma'am.
colon.
Column, ma'am.
Colon is used between sentences which are grammatically independent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, which of these is used to convey proportions? Which of these is used to convey proportions? Colon, semicolon, comma, hyphen.
Ma'am, repeat again.
Proportion, ratio and proportion. In mathematics,
Colon,
which
ma'am,
set
colon.
is colon.
Ma'am, colon.
Yes, colon. Proportions के लिए भी हमारा colon का use होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
Next one.
we use double colon, ma'am. For
वही
proportions.
colon ही हुआ ना. Double colon है कि single
Yes, ma'am.
colon है? It is colon ना. अगर
Yes,
बोलते
ma'am.
proportion के लिए how many columns? Then you can say me 2 columns. But I am asking which is used in the proportions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next one. Which of these is used to separate short coordinate clauses of a compound sentence? Yesterday, I explained the compound sentence. Which of these is used to separate short coordinate clauses of a compound sentence? Comma, full stop, colon.
Comma.
Comma. Very good.
Comma. Comma, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
मैम आप ही का पढ़ाया हुआ था ना मैम इसीलिए.
हाँ? ये सब कल हम पूछे थे आप लोगों से. I have asked you people.
आपने ही पढ़ाया था मैम इसलिए याद है मैम सबको.
हाँ, मतलब बाकी याद नहीं रहता क्या?
रहता है मैम.
Then why you are saying like this? Next, अब बताओ. How many types of columns are there? Column कितना तरह का होता है? How many types of column?
2 types.
What?
Colon and semicolon.
Hmm?
Colon and semicolon.
Colon and semicolon और अरे बाबा कॉलन तो एक ही ना होगा.
Yes.
क्लोन है क्या कॉलन का कोई? ये कंफ्यूजिंग करने के लिए क्वेश्चन था. कॉलन सिंगल ही होता है, सेमीकोलन भी सिंगल ही होता है, फुल स्टॉप भी सिंगल ही होता है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भी सिंगल ही होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर तुम लोग कहाँ से बोलते कॉलन सेमीकोलन? For confusing, I have asked this question to you. Got it? समझ में आया? All together हमारे पास कितना पंचुएशन मार्क्स है? Generally हम लोग
8, ma'am.
मतलब हम लोग जानते हैं कितना बेटा? How many types of मतलब क्या बोलते पंचुएशन मार्क्स we know till now?
8, ma'am.
Any one of you please name them. कोई बता सकता है? Any one of you, कोई भी बताओ.
Approximately 10.
No, 10 से ज्यादा है. एट साइन कहाँ गया?
मैम जानते तो बहुत सारा है बट उसका नाम याद नहीं है ना.
देखो एट साइन का यूज तो भी हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं. एवरीडे
ma'am.
लाइफ में हम लोग कुछ करते हैं.
At, hashtag, colon, comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark,
Yeah,
slash,
yeah,
underline,
yeah.
Many types of brackets.
Many types of bracket में क्या क्या bracket है? Round bracket and square bracket.
Round bracket, square bracket, curly bracket,
और brace, curly bracket नहीं बोलते उसको, brace बोलते हैं.
brace.
Braces.
BRACE, brace.
BRS.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
और एक स्टार टाइप का रहता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Star multiplication.
एक देखना.
Asterisk.
हाँ?
Asterisk.
Asterisk. क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग? Asterisk. Yeah. So total हम लोग देखा जाए तो 18 टाइप्स का हमारे पास ये है. Punctuation marks. Okay. Full stop है.
Okay.
Full stop, comma, at sign, brace, round bracket, square bracket, quotation marks, eclipse marks, hyphen, asterisk, dash, slash, colon, semicolon. Okay.
Ma'am, it's 15.
हाँ?
3 more. 3 more.
क्या है 3 more बताओ तो? हम कभी इतना ही नहीं मेंबर रखते.
तो मैम क्योंकि मैंने काउंट किया आपने जो बताया तो वो 15
Three
ही हुआ.
brackets. 3 brackets Kanaiya. 3 types of brackets.
Hey, 3 bracket I have named. Okay. I have already named the 3 brackets.
Ma'am, where we use 3 brackets?
3 bracket का कहाँ यूज करते हैं? There are difference. मैथ में कहाँ यूज करते हो 3 brackets का? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट का यूज कहाँ है? जनरली स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट 8 is really useful fruit. क्या है? It का मतलब क्या? एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करने के लिए.
So here we can also use round bracket.
क्यों? क्यों
No,
3
I'm
ब्रैकेट?
asking.
क्यों राउंड ब्रैकेट हम लोग यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए. एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए हम लोग राउंड ब्रैकेट भी यूज करते हैं, कभी कभी स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स भी यूज करते हैं. जनरली जो वो क्या बोलते हैं, जनरली जो होता है ब्रैकेट में हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन ही डालते हैं. सिंपल माइंड अप में रखिए.
मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट कौन सा होगा मैम यूज करने के लिए?
राउंड ब्रैकेट रहता है. मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट राउंड ब्रैकेट ही रहता है इंग्लिश में, क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स में ब्रैकेट्स का ज्यादा कॉमन रहता है. क्या एक समथिंग दैट बॉडमास रूल.
Yes, ma'am.
You are having that
यस
certain
मैम,
kinds of
मैथमेटिक्स का तो
brackets.
बहुत
all
अलग
those things.
कंसेप्ट है. बड़ी ब्रैकेट, छोटी ब्रैकेट.
Yeah, that's BODMAS. We have to follow sometimes different types of brackets in mathematics.
इंग्लिश में फॉलो नहीं ना करना मैम.
मतलब ये राउंड ब्रैकेट से ज्यादा यूज करते हैं इंग्लिश में. बहुत कम देखने को मिलेगा जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट का भी यूज होता है.
मिडिल ब्रैकेट भी कभी देखे नहीं मैम.
नहीं रहता है, मोस्टली नहीं यूज होता है. इंग्लिश में राउंड ब्रैकेट ही यूज होता है, वो एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करने के लिए. जनरली जो होता है ना, नेम्स एंड वेयर द मैंने प्लेस ऑफ ऑफरिंग, वो जो डायलॉग बेसिस पे वो नहीं रहता है, रोल प्लेस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. दिस ड्रामा में ही सिर्फ ज्यादातर यूज होता है. देखना, कन्वर्सेशन एंड ड्रामा ये सब में ही ज्यादा ब्रैकेट का यूज होता है इंग्लिश में. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ दिस ब्रैकेट्स इन इंग्लिश. You will not have seen those types of different kind of brackets. Now, this coherence. Coherence in writing is the logical bridge between words, sentences, and paragraphs. Coherence in writing. Coherence is product of many different factors which combine to make every paragraph, every sentence, and every phrase contribute to the meaning of the whole piece. Coherence in writing is much more difficult to sustain than coherent speech, simply because writers have no non-verbal cues to inform them if their message is clear or not. Therefore, writers must make their patterns of coherence much more explicit and much more carefully planned. Coherence itself is the product of two factors: paragraph unity and sentence. 1 minute, I just have a call. Okay. हाँ, hello Sachin, I will call you later. Class ले रहे हैं. Okay, हाँ Sachin. Okay. So whereas therefore writers must make their patterns of coherence much more explicit and much more carefully planned. Coherence, अभी तक हम लोग क्या समझते हैं? What do you mean by coherence? What is the simple? हम लोग बोलेंगे what is the simple meaning of coherence? Simple meaning. What do you mean by coherence?
Ma'am, where they meet.
And logical connection. पैराग्राफ में कभी देखो इधर से उधर सेंटेंस जाता है. Have you ever seen in the paragraph there is systematic way में हर एक चीज अरेंज किया हुआ रहता है और उसका एक लॉजिक भी रहता है. If there will be no logic in the sentences, will the paragraph is effective? No.
No.
So simple meaning of coherence, don't you have to remember this much so big? Okay. So the simple meaning of this coherence is it is that state where all sentences are being systematically and logically connected. Okay. ये किस में यूज होता है? पैराग्राफ यूनिट. जब हमारे पास सिस्टमैटिक है, लॉजिकली हम लोग सेंटेंस को अरेंज अप किए हैं, दैट मींस देयर इज ऑलवेज अ पैराग्राफ यूनिट. कोहेरेंस के एग्जांपल, कैन यू गिव मी सम एग्जांपल ऑफ कोहेरेंस? एक सेंटेंस, you have to give a 5 lines paragraph sentence. कोई भी 5 lines का सेंटेंस पैराग्राफ बन सकता है ना, but it should be properly arranged and it will be logically proved. और देख लॉजिक होना चाहिए. Without logic, will it be a paragraph?
No, ma'am.
No. और कोहेरेंस का यूज कहाँ होता है ज्यादा? Suppose I am writing some stories. If my viewpoint is clear, मैंने systematically I have said the क्या बोलते हैं? Characters. I have systematically said the characters. I have systematically said the place where it will be occurring. After that, where the first my characters in the story, the place when it will be occur, what are the circumstances, and what is the message. If these things are clear to me, then I can write easily a story. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, like that, coherence is the same thing. When our ideas are clear, okay. जब ideas हमारा clear रहेगा तब क्या होता है? हमारा view जो होता है clear होता है, smooth होता है. हम आराम से कोई चीज को लिख सकते हैं. We can easily write any of the paragraphs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So coherence का मतलब समझ में आया? In short, I have told you. It is a systematic and logical connection. Okay. Now this paragraph unit. What is this paragraph unit? To achieve paragraph unity, a writer must ensure two things. First, the paragraph must have a single generalization that serves as the focus of attention. That is a topic. अगर हमारे पास कोई प्रॉपर टॉपिक नहीं रहेगा, क्या हम प्रॉपरली उसके बारे में लिख सकते हैं?
No, ma'am.
अगर हमारे पास टॉपिक ही नहीं, राइट अ पैराग्राफ, कोई कुछ भी लिख सकता है. If my topic is clear to you people, you can write very nicely. So the first thing is that the paragraph must have a single generalization that serves as the focus of attention. That is a topic sentence. Now, secondly, a writer must control the content of every other sentence in the paragraph's body such that A, it contains more specific information than the topic sentence, and B, it maintains the same focus of attention as the topic sentence. This generalization about paragraph structure helps true for the essay in particular. The two major expectations to this formula for paragraph unity are found in fiction, where the paragraph boundaries serve other functions such as indicating when a new speaker is talking in a story, and in journalism, where paragraphs are especially short to promote visual ease by creating with ये समझ में आया? पैराग्राफ यूनिटी, पैराग्राफ यूनिटी, पैराग्राफ यूनिटी में हमारे लिए क्या जरूरी है? Can anyone say me what is important of a paragraph unity?
And first one, topic clear होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
And second one, इतने मतलब किसी भी सेंटेंस को ऐसे इफेक्टिव वे में लिखे कि वो इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड भी हो और टॉपिक से अलग भी ना हो.
ओके. पैराग्राफ यूनिटी, पैराग्राफ यूनिटी एंड कोहेरेंस का क्या रिलेशनशिप हो सकता है? व्हाट इज द रिलेशन ऑफ ए पैराग्राफ यूनिटी एंड ए कोहेरेंस?
मैम अगर कोहेरेंस, अगर हम वेल नोन होंगे कोहेरेंस से तभी पैराग्राफ यूनिटी लिख सकते हैं.
सर, नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. ओके, देखो
पैराग्राफ
पैराग्राफ यूनिटी और कोहेरेंस, अगर कोहेरेंस हमारे पास है देन ओनली पैराग्राफ यूनिटी हम कैसे कर सकते हैं?
यस मैम.
कर सकते हैं ना? सो हम क्या ये चीज बोल सकते हैं पैराग्राफ शुड हैव बोथ कोहेरेंस एंड यूनिटी?
यस मैम.
So, a paragraph with unity develops a single idea. A paragraph with unity develops a single idea thoroughly and links to the rest of the paper. The paragraph coherence. And when this paragraph coherence is achieved, when sentences are ordered in a logical manner and clear transmission link sentences. Okay, please keep in mind this thing, that paragraph should have both coherence and unity, and paragraph coherence is achieved when sentences are ordered in a logical manner and when clear transitions links sentences. एक के साथ एक sentence का link होना चाहिए. If there was no linkage in the sentence, then we can't achieve this paragraph coherence. Got it? Now, ये paragraph unity. Paragraph unity में सबसे पहले क्या जरूरत है? To develop a paragraph on which on the idea which we have got, or on the topic, or express this idea in the topic sentence. Topic sentence के ऊपर ही तो हम paragraph लिखेंगे ना?
Yeah.
Next one, make the relationship between the main idea of the paragraph. Third क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We used to support the main idea of the paragraph with details. हम लोग उसका details लिखते हैं ना, जो paragraph का topic रहता है उसको certified करते हैं, फिर उसके बारे में हम लोग details लिखते हैं. Next one. Next क्या है? We write another paragraph to add extra details. This is the type how we maintain a paragraph unit. So first we develop our idea, we express our idea on the basic of the topic. Next we establish the relationship of the paragraph. Third we support the major idea